about showing the love of creating music, showing the love of playing cello.
It's really about people.
There's nothing like it in the world, to see a child getting excited about something.
At the root of music is the idea of communication. Communication is outreach. One human being to another human being.
Instead of falling in love with a girl, he fell in love with music.
Amit Peled had a children's book written about him and the journey of his cello, which belonged to Pablo Casals. What an amazing pedigree. And having Amit sit there with little kids on beanbags and read to them and seeing kids moving around and swaying to the music as he played some demonstrations of Bach.
When I started this journey with the Pablo Casals cello, and I felt really like I won the lottery. You know, it's a dream that came true to me, coming from a little kibbutz in the middle of nowhere in Israel and having this instrument now and being able to share it with people. I thought I need to find a way to express that to kids, to young kids.
When Pablo finally met me, we became very, very close.
What did you like about it?
The song that he played.
It doesn't happen very often that you have somebody who has a children's book written about him and who's playing on Pablo Casals cello. That's really special.
Do it with your finger. Cool.
Seeing them kind of encountering this for the first time, letting them pluck his cello.
If you're a child that was able to be here and experience this, it could be a very meaningful thing.
To have that cello with me when I read it makes all the difference in the world, because most of them always think, you know, the music part is what we like, and we felt that Pablo, the cello, is alive. We felt it is alive, and then I feel I did my job.
All just part of our desire to connect and build bridges. I mean, that's the essential mission of MMF. That's what we're about at our core.
Thank you.